Hovo Sinotruk, 371 horsepower, tractor head, 6x4, version 5, heavy duty, ready. Everything new, 2017, stock new one. Stock new tractor head. New tire, new rim, new fifth wheel, new cabin, new silencer, new fuel tank, new engine, new gearbox. Only the year is a little older, 2017, 2018, ready for ship any moment. So if you need this type high quality, if you need this type of the high quality tractor head, please call us any moment. More units is coming. Everywhere neat and clean. Inside, new booster, new wiring, new pneumatic hose, new air reservoir, V-thrust push, street push, tire and rim, new saddle, new valve, new gearbox, new engine, new cabin. Okay. It's a manual window. Each one is the same standard, stock new. Very nice.